Video, I will show you how to create student trip planning. First, you need to click Extensions, Skill Form, and Load from Template. Now you can search student trip planning, and after you found it, just click it and load selected template. And now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page like this, and you need to click Form and get link, and then just click Continue here, and then choose your account. Just click Advanced, and then go to Form, and click Allow here. And you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also change the questions or anything in the form. Like for example, I want to insert new row here, like this, and I want to fill it with text. And just copy the questions, and I change into name, for example, and go to your form, and it will show like this. Or you can change into gender, for example. For the type I use radio button, and don't forget to fill the options too, like male or female. So it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can delete the row too if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear like this. Go to settings to change the background color of your form. Just pick any color that you want, and it will change instantly. Or maybe I want to give an example to give a style in the title. For example, here I use mark behavior. You can follow the step. For example, alternate, and then scroll amount. For example, I use 25 here. Or you can pick your number, and don't forget to close the code like /mark. And just refresh the page, and now the title is moving. Thank you.